In India, diabetic foot ulcer is one of the major complications in 15% of patients with diabetes. Management of diabetic foot ulcer needs specialized care, and there is an imperative need of cutting-edge research-based solutions for better patient outcomes. Bicapleramine gel represents an important therapeutic advance for treating diabetic foot ulcers. Pleramine is a human platelet-derived growth factor indicated for the treatment of lower extremity diabetic neuropathic ulcers that extend into the subcutaneous tissue or beyond and have an adequate blood supply. Pleramine gel is indicated as an adjunct to and not a substitute for good ulcer care practices. Pleramine significantly improves healing rates with good safety and tolerability profile. Right technique for its application is crucial for better treatment outcomes. It should be noted that a tube of Pleramine should be used for a single patient only. Firstly, hands should be washed thoroughly before applying Pleramine. The tip of the tube should not come into contact with the ulcer or any other surface. Before each application, the ulcer should be gently rinsed with saline or water to remove any residual gel and wound area cleaned. Pleramine should only be applied once a day in a carefully measured quantity, adjusted according to the size of ulcers. The calculated dose of Pleramine in centimeters or inches should be squeezed out onto a clean, firm, non-absorbable surface in a linear fashion. The measured quantity of gel should be spread evenly over the ulcerated area, including the margins, to yield a thin continuous layer of approximately 1/16 of an inch thickness, approximately 1.5 mm thickness. The gel should then be covered with saline moistened gauze and secondary dressing and left for approximately 24 hours. After 24 hours, the gel can be gently rinsed off using saline or water and reapplied. The tube should be closed tightly after each use. After treatment is completed, any unused gel should be discarded. The amount of Pleramine to be applied daily should be recalculated at weekly or bi-weekly intervals by the physician or assigned medical personnel. It is important to use Pleramine together with a good ulcer care program, including a strict non-weight bearing program. Excess application of Pleramine has not been shown to be beneficial. Pleramine should be stored in a refrigerator. Pleramine should not be frozen. Pleramine should not be used after the expiry date. Disclaimer: for the use of registered medical practitioner, hospital or laboratory only, or as per the description under Form 46 of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940.